Legal guide for boilermakers diagnosed with mesothelioma or other asbestos-related diseases.
If you are a boilermaker diagnosed with mesothelioma, lung cancer, or severe asbestosis, you may feel overwhelmed and unsure where to turn. You have the right to seek monetary compensation. An experienced mesothelioma lawyer can help guide you through the process. Asbestos was widely used in boilers manufacturing and other industrial products due to its heat-resistant properties. Boilermakers who worked with and around boilers were at a high risk of asbestos exposure and its harmful effects. Some of the most common asbestos products used by boilermakers include insulation materials, gaskets, brake linings, pipe coverings, boiler and furnace parts, and many others. There are several ways to pursue this compensation, including through a personal injury lawsuit, asbestos trust fund claims, or workers' compensation. Your mesothelioma lawyer will work with you to determine the best option for your situation. What is a personal injury lawsuit for boilermakers diagnosed with mesothelioma? A personal injury lawsuit allows you to hold the responsible parties accountable for your exposure to asbestos and the resulting health problems. If successful, boilermakers and their family can receive compensation for medical bills, lost income, and pain and suffering. Asbestos claims for boilermakers. Many companies that manufactured and distributed asbestos products related to manufacturing, installing, or repairing boilers have set up trust funds to compensate those impacted by the hazardous material. Your attorney can evaluate if you are eligible for compensation from one of these trust funds. Workers' compensation for boilermakers diagnosed with asbestos-related diseases. If you were exposed to asbestos while working as a boilermaker, you might be eligible for workers' compensation. This compensation can cover your medical expenses and lost wages and provide benefits for permanent disability or death. What is the time limit to file for monetary compensation? The time limits for filing for monetary compensation, also known as the statute of limitations, vary by state and type of claim. Act quickly to preserve your rights, as it can result in losing your right to compensation. In conclusion, pursuing financial compensation is a way to hold those responsible accountable.
Find your answers by visiting mesothelioma.how. We are here to help.